Oh?
Ha?
No.
No need, brother. No. Gusto akong bigyan ng regalo ni Kuya. With Pakistani flies. Are they Pakistanis or Indians? Ay, yung mga spy ng Pakistan. Kasi meron siyang kasamang mga security. Same? Same?
Yeah.
Is it? Such a regard. Is it?
नहीं
Wala?
अब पहले तो नहीं मिले
Okay. They look the same.
ਉੱਥੇ ਭਾਜੀ ਸੀਗੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸ਼ਕਲ ਸੇਮ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਾਲੀ ਇੱਧਰ
ਹਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਉਧਰ ਵੀ ਦੋ ਗਾੜੀ ਹੈ
ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਸ਼ਕਲ ਸੇਮ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੀ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਮਿਲ ਲਿਆ
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਓਕੇ चलिए मेंबर पूरे हो गए ना जी
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਪੂਰੇ
So yan, good afternoon and welcome back to another vlog, guys.
welcome back
Pupunta kami ngayon sa market. Dadalhin kami ni Kuya sa market nila. So I can remove this now?
you can
So hindi na pala required mag-cover ng head. So ito yung Kartarpur Sahib. How far is the market from here?
ये लगा
ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਭਾਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ
How far is the market?
ਭਾਈ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਦੂਰ ਹੈ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਇੱਥੋਂ
गिरा नजदीक ही है
2 ਮਿੰਟ
हाँ 1 मिनट लगेगा जी
ਹਾਂ only 1 minute
Only 1 minute. Here already, is it? This one, huh? Is it?
yes
Dito.
yes
I love it. This one here.
but at least they have facility for you
Yeah, you don't really have to walk.
तेरी सेवा सदके इतने
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ ऐसे करते हैं हाँ
सेवा करिए मेवा में
they have medical center also here
Mm. Oh yes, Pakistani market, guys.
लो जी
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद
So, बहुत धन्यवाद.
थैंक यू जी
Ay. Ayan na yung Pakistani market, guys.
yeah so maybe they just made this specially for Kartarpur Sahib visitors because it doesn't look like a typical Pakistani market but,
yeah.
but at least we are going to try some Pakistani things
Yeah, we're going to spend Pakistani rupees here. Para lang siyang bazaar, guys.
what is this
We can check. Golgappa.
oh, it's Golgappa but it's not something that's from
So, isa-isahin natin itong kanilang mga stall. Okay, first one in these are toys and accessories. Darbar Sahib Kartarpur souvenir shop.
nice
Tapos yan, mga tela para sa Punjabi suit. Bet ko tong parang green ba yan or black? Iba na rin yung paningin ko. Yeah, masyadong mataas yung araw. Sikat ng araw. Uhaw na kami eh. Yan, ang ganda ng cloth oh. Ito, bet ko. Oh, there, ang ganda. Gusto kong i-check yung Kara, guys. Kara. What do you call this again, Sumeet?
these are the colors
It looks heavy.
Earrings
हाँ जी
Chinese में
नहीं नहीं
Made in China.
Philippines का but made in China
Pinagkakamalan akong Chinese dito eh.
ये
Hey,
पर्व
Philippines
वाले
Not this, brother. I want something like this. But
kada
it looks like a manly.
yeah these are manly
पहन के देखिए आप
they have thin one
मित्ता जी कड़े छोटे हैं बच्चे हमारे
कितने साल का जुआ का
2 साल का बच्चा
Ay, ang bibigat na itong mga to. Parang di ko bet. Sabi ni Kuya, ito
बड़ा
daw.
छोटा हो ਜਾਂਦਾ ਇਹ
Ito yung suot ko ngayon, no?
ਇਦਾਂ ਪਹਿਣਾ ਇਹਨੇ
No other design, Sumeet?
अगर
भाजी एक ही
होता है
ਜੀ ਇਹ ਪਿੱਤਲ ਵਾਲਾ
ਪਿੱਤਲ?
ਪਿੱਤਲ
original
ਚਾਂਦੀ ਪਲੇਟਡ ਆ
Ito maganda sana kung medyo payat.
ये भी नहीं
Do you want heavy?
but it's very heavy oh my god
ਸਰਬਲੋ ਲੋਹੇ ਦਾ
somebody with this
They don't have thin one?
ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਬੈ ਮੱਥਾ ਪਾੜ ਦੋ
What he said?
he said kill somebody
Yeah, I can. I will hit you later.
and there
Ito.
this one is nice This one.
I'm thinking of something that I can wear
Lahori
every day.
earrings.
Lahori
Lahori
earrings.
earrings.
Sabi ni Kuya, Lahori earrings daw yan. Oh. Bet nyo?
Bracelets.
I want,
Rakdi.
tell him no need.
Punjabiyan di rakdi.
I just want Kara, but there is no Kara.
Oh my god.
Ay, pucha.
Chatrali.
Ah, nice. Very nice.
गोल्डन भी है इसमें
हाँ.
और इसके बाद ये टिक्का भी है चेक करें अपने स्पेशल
No, very
Punjabi
special
tikka.
though. Punjabi tikka, okay.
मट्ठा टिक्का
Not chicken tikka.
I know, I know.
वो टिक्का नहीं
Not chicken tikka. This one is Punjabi tikka.
I want Kara.
ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੜਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਪਤਲਾ ਜਿਹਾ
पतला है
ਆ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਆ ਜੀ
स्पेशल हाँ जी
ਚੂੜੀ
स्पेशल
ਚੜੀ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਨਾ
Ah, yes, special.
चेतन स्टोन चतराली
Special though. Nothing plain, just plain.
प्लेन
प्लेन में नहीं है
प्लेन
ये अच्छी चीज है
Does it tarnish?
देखिए पहन पहन के देखिए हाथ में
he said wear and then
सिंधी जूड़ा
you will understand
Too much Sumeet.
too much
I just want plain. Nothing, that's all? Check, maybe check the other ones.
okay
देखिए कुछ नहीं
Thank you, brother.
ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਭਾਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
oh my god
What is it?
Game
ring?
of Thrones
कुछ तो लेके जाए
Maybe we will check later some pasalubong.
okay
Yeah.
Game of Thrones
Nahi ba? I want Kara, that's all. Nothing.
ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਭਾਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ
बड़े ब्लॉगर की नाम
face diary
फेस डायरी
How come he knows?
FAYS, huh?
How come he knows that I'm
Because you're
vlogging?
recording, so of course you're vlogging. So he knows.
ये गिफ्ट मेरी तरफ से
Oh?
Ah!
No, no, no.
No need, brother. No, 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 no. I really want
ਕੀ ਨਾਮ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ
Kara.
ਵੀਰ ਜੀ
अली हसनैन
ਅਲੀ ਹਸਨੈਲ
फ्रॉम फैसलाबाद
ਫੈਸਲਾਬਾਦ ਤੋਂ
फैसलाबाद लैलपुर
ਇੱਥੋਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਅਰਾਊਂਡ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕਿਲੋਮੀਟਰ ਹੋਊਗਾ
इतो हैगा जे 300 किलोमीटर
around 300 kilometers
नारवाल
away
से
from
नारवाल
here. This one is Narwal, right?
नारवाल से 300 किलोमीटर
300 kilometers away. फैसलाबाद
फैसलाबाद
और दुद्धा आव
दूधा पिंड
दुद्धा पिंड दुद्धा विलेज
इधर शकरगढ़ है
शक्करगढ़
शकरगढ़ नारवाल
sugar place something
शकरगढ़
शक्करगढ़ सलमान खान
जम्मू एंड बिल्कुल करीब है
हाँ
जम्मू कश्मीर
Jammu Kashmir, you can go to Jammu Kashmir from here.
इंडिया
Oh, wow. That's nice.
Indian place.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much, bhai. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much. Ang bait ni Kuya. Oh. Send ka. Gusto akong bigyan ng regalo ni Kuya. Hindi ko tinanggap eh. Pero babalik kami dyan mamaya guys. Titingin ng
They have
pasalubong.
food point, but is it Lahori food point?
Yeah. Kasi ang pinunta talaga namin dito pagkain.
Let's check.
Gusto namin makatry ng Pakistani food. Dito sa Pakistan. It's also the same golgappa, jalebi, veg biryani. They have biryani. What is this? Pakora?
It's something different. ਭਾਜੀ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਹੈ
वीजी लाहौरी पिन्नी है
ਪਿੰਨੀ ਆਲੂ
आलू वेजिटेबल स्मैश नारियल का पानी
ਤੇ ਜੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਕਰਤੀ ਇਹ ਟਿੱਕੀ ਬਣ ਜਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਗੱਲ ਤੇ ਹੋਗੀ
Something like tiki?
ਯਾ ਲਾਹੌਰੀ
Okay, let's try it.
ਲਾਹੌਰੀ ਪਿੰਨੀ
Lahori pini. What is that one there? That one? The
ਆ
flat?
ਕੀ ਹੈ ਬਈ
pakora,
ਆਲੂ
pakora.
ਪੋਟੈਟੋ ਫਲੇਵਰ
Okay, let's try.
ਪਿੰਨੀ ਇਹ ਦੋ ਪਿੰਨੀ
Try tayo ng Pakistani pini. Ayan, dito sila nagpiprito.
ਕੀ ਬਾਤ ਓਏ ਹੋਏ
Lahori pini, right?
ਲਾਹੌਰੀ ਪਿੰਨੀ yes.
Mabait nila
Pwede
kuya.
yun, Lahori pini.
Tawa sa akin si kuya, oh.
he is the chef
Ha!
ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਰਾ ਇਹ ਨਿਮਾਣੇ ਜੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਨਿਮਾਨ ਰੱਖਣ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ so two for us and anything else
Drinks? What kind of drinks they have?
there you can choose it's all Pepsi Cola and all or water we need water right
Yeah, no Pakistani drink?
ਭਾਜੀ ਕੋਈ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨੀ ਡਰਿੰਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਬਦਲ ਰੋਜ਼ ਸ਼ੇੜਾ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ
स्प्रिंग पे आ जी
ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਉਹਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ
ਸ਼ੱਕਰ ਵਾਲਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਤੇ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਗਰਮੀ ਨਾ ਬਣਾਈ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਦੇਸੀ ਕਰ ਲਗਾ
What they said to me?
I said something Pakistani, something special.
Ah.
Then he said he will mix brown sugar in water and give it to us.
No, Pakistani drink na siya.
That's the Pakistani drink.
So after frying, alagyan ni Kuya ng sauce dito. Oh. Pogi rin tong si Kuya eh.
बैठो छाऊं में बैठ
For me, Sumit, just sweet sauce. Can you tell them sweet sauce?
ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਰਫ ਮਿੱਠੀ ਪਾਇਓ ਹੋਰ ਕੁਝ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਾ ਲੂੰ
Meron siyang parang mga garam
Let's
masala.
try the Pakistani food
Yeah. Here in
for the first
Pakistan.
time. Chef ਭਾਜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਨਾਮ ਕੀ ਹੈ? Ali Raza.
Ali Raza. Yan.
He's
See?
the head chef.
Yeah, Chef Ali Raza.
ਇਹ ਵੱਡੇ chef.
Very friendly.
Very friendly.
I think they're pakora.
Specialty,
They have?
like I don't know if Pakistani specialty.
Do they have? If they have.
Pakistani specialty. ਚਾਹ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਚਾਹ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਭਾਜੀ ਫਿਰ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਬਣਾਓ ਪਰ ਹੋਵੇ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨੀ ਟੱਚ ਵਾਲੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਚੱਲ ਸੇਮ ਹੀ ਆ ਪਰ ਚਾਹ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਵੀ ਘਰੇ ਉਤਰਾ ਹੀ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਪਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਜੋ ਹੈਗੀ ਉਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਦੇ ਦਿਓ
Just touch it.
No, he said he will make special.
Ah, thank you.
Thank you, ਭਾਜੀ, ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।
Thank you. Ay, bait.
We are going to try the special Pakistani tea
Yes.
and special food. Ah, क्या बात है भाई
Hi. So yummy.
मैं कह ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਂਡ ਹੀ ਕਰਾਤਾ ਬਸ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਭਾਜੀ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਪਰ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਦੇ ਟੱਚ ਵਾਲੀ
मजा आएगा
ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਭਾਜੀ ਅੱਜ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਖਤਮ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਸਾਰਾ
What did you say?
I said just make it the best with Pakistani touch. You said don't worry. We will.
So guys, ito na yung aming
So this is the Lahori Pini.
pini. Yes.
So she doesn't want anything else, just the sweet sauce. But for me, they added some chickpeas, some grated carrot,
Cabbage and
cabbage, cucumber, and some sweet sauce.
So this is something similar to aloo
To
tikki,
but I can.
but it looks different.
Yeah, I can see like it's like pakoda, something like that.
Yeah, it looks like pakora.
Yeah, this one.
Yung kanyang outer appearance.
So I try first
Yes.
with some chickpeas, with some vegetables, and here it goes. Yeah, it's different.
It's different.
Try.
Ako magja-judge, guys. The inside is like it looks more like a mashed potato.
Yeah,
Naglalawan
and the
ako.
taste is different.
My mouth is watering.
Different, right?
It is different.
Yeah, because tikki tastes different in India, but this one is different.
Yeah.
They don't call it tikki; they call it pini.
Yeah.
So that means round thingy.
And they add this masala on top. I don't know which masala is this.
It's nice. I don't know, but for me, it's nice.
Yeah, it's nice for me too. I just want like the sauce to be more sweeter. It's gonna be perfect.
Yeah.
So guys, naubos na namin yung pini.
Yeah, you should show them this one also. This water.
Pakistani Aquafina daw.
Yeah, see? Pakistan standard.
Oh yan guys, nakainom kami ng tubig ng Pakistan. Water of Pakistan.
Aquafina.
How does it taste like? Tastes like water.
With Pakistani touch.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's nice.
चाय अभी लिए
हाँ जी हाँ जी
कितने आने के
कोई नहीं दे दो जो तो मर्जी दे दो भाई सोटी नहीं है he said do you need the tea right now with biryani or later I said just give us any time you want we will just throw inside so it's fine
We should have came here like a month ago, I think.
yeah
It's gonna be perfect.
it would have been much better
Yeah.
but it's fine
It's still better, guys. Imagine kung pumunta kami dito kalagitnaan ng mga June, July. Oh,
oh
shoot.
my god no don't even think about that
Oo, grabe yung kanilang summer dito. Around 40 degrees. Imagine yung 40 degrees. Right now, it is around what? 27,
maybe
28?
today is like 25 or 26
Mm.
or something like that.
Pero ang init.
But in June, July, it goes till 45,
45.
47 sometimes.
Oh.
47 degrees. Oh my God.
Near to boiling point na. Biryani is here, is it?
Thank you so much, Paji. Thank you so much. Kya
Thank
baat hai. Veg biryani.
you.
Veg biryani.
Yeah, veg biryani. Let's see
So-
kung makakain pa namin siya.
So the biryani itself is here.
Mm-hmm.
Our specialty.
Yes.
with
Thank
Pakistani
you.
touch.
Welcome.
Thank you. Nice. So try this. Oh yeah, it's different.
Mm-hmm.
Try
Is it?
Pakistani tea. Try.
With Pakistani fly. Are they Pakistanis or Indians?
Maybe
Mix?
spice.
Huh?
Spy.
Spy?
Yeah.
Chinese?
Try the Pakistani tea.
It's different.
It's different. See, I told you it's different. It's nice.
It tastes like evaporated milk.
Yeah.
Ang sarap. It's really nice.
It's very
Like
nice.
the biryani.
It tastes like the Singapore style something.
It's very milky, creamy. It's like caramelly. Hindi ko ma-explain. Lasa siyang evaporated
Specialty.
milk.
That's why.
Uh-huh. Biryani.
Mm.
How does it
Nice.
taste like? Tastes like biryani?
Biryani.
I have never tried veg biryani.
Try.
I tried chicken biryani,
Mm.
mutton biryani, and all that.
Nice.
Can you finish it?
Yeah.
Mm. It's actually nice.
It's nice. I also never tried veg biryani before.
This is your first time?
First time.
Yeah, ang sarap, guys. That's siyang, it really tastes like the
Real biryani.
real biryani, like veg or chicken biryani. But this is veg.
All veg.
Ano naman sinabi ko? Tama ba yung pinagsasabi ko? I don't even know if I said it correctly. Nothing. We will see guys later kung tama ba yung sinabi ko sa vlog. Pero lasa siyang, kasing lasa niya yung rin, parang chicken biryani. Pero this is veg. With this, ang sarap.
Oh my God. There's some flies.
These are the Pakistani flies. The Pakistani spy. Is it?
Without visa. They came
Without
from
visa.
India.
Mga refugees.
Here's some potatoes.
Oh.
So it's like the salty rice mom makes.
But better.
Yeah, this one is better with some flavor. Yeah.
This is like biryani.
Mm.
Because it is biryani.
They are giving me samosa.
Yeah, to taste the Pakistani samosa, right?
But sure. चलो ले ये पाजी ने कहता फिर हम खावांगे.
टेस्ट करो तुसी.
Tikman lang daw namin, libre daw.
Very nice.
Binigyan lang kami ng samosa. Tikman daw namin ng Pakistani samosa.
We are so full
Yeah, hindi namin naubos guys yung biryani.
that we can't even eat or can't even drink tea right now.
Yeah.
That's why we asked them to pack this so we can give to dog or something. I don't want to throw the food.
Busog
And
na
now
kasi
they
kami.
want me to try this.
Yeah, pinak na namin yung aming
But it's very crispy
biryani. Yeah, I
and
heard
it's
it.
very big.
So, ayan yung Pakistani samosa. Sa akin, ang kinakain ko lang sa samosa is yung crust eh. Ay, yung mga spy ng Pakistan. Hindi na tinantanan yun siya ako.
Crispy. Very nice. Nice.
I like the sauce. It's sweet. Back to?
Pack.
Naglanggar
Pack
kami,
everything.
guys.
Can you pack everything?
Naglanggar kasi kami. Actually, their samosa is nice.
Oh my God.
Really nice, right?
Yeah. We should have ordered this.
Yeah, ang sarap.
Eat the crispy part because you like crispy part.
Kapag kami, food trip kami ni Sumeet, sinasabi ko sa kanya na isa lang yung orderin niya para tigkalahati kami. Pero lagi niyang ginagawa, dalawa. Next time, you know, right? Like when we have like food vlog, just order one and then we'll share half so we can try other more.
And the ball was like the pini was very Small. So I thought it's like nothing, but it's very heavy.
Ay, yung mga spy ng Pakistan.
Eat the crispy
Ayaw akong
part
tantanan.
so I can finish.
Can you just protect my tea from the spy?
Yes, sure.
Spy
Anything
of
for you
Pakistan.
today because it's your birthday.
Of course, it's my birthday. I'm the queen today.
Yeah. Oh, the crispy part is so nice. Heaven. And the taste is nice. I mean, it's different.
Yummy Pakistani food.
And it's mild, right? They don't use too much
Too much
spices or chili
masala.
or anything. No.
Walang masyadong garam masala, wala masyadong seeds. So, pasok siya sa panlasang Pinoy. It can pass the Filipino taste, right? Taste buds. Yung tsaa din nila masarap, evaporated, lasang evaporated milk.
Nice.
Yung tubig din nila sobrang sarap. Kasi meron siyang kasamang mga security. Talagang hindi tinatantanan yung aming tsaa kanina. Ubus oh. Ay, yung samosa, ubos kay Sumit yan. Are you going to finish it?
Yeah.
It's really nice.
It's very good.
They're really nice, right? The first vendor wanted to give me a gift.
Yeah.
And then they gave Sumit a samosa. As a gift.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, they're very, very nice. Oh my God. Now I wanna go to Pakistan. Can we go?
Yeah.
Actually, I can go, guys. I can go. Maybe you can check too, if you can go.
Yeah.
Tapos na, guys. Ay, bayad na, guys. We have everything, right? Make sure we have everything. So, dito kami kumain.
You don't want to pay that?
I wanna eat and run. What?
He said you can bring that if you want.
Yeah, souvenir. Pakistani cup.
ਨਾ ਲੋੜੀ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਡਬਲ ਕਰ ਦੋ ਕਿਤੇ ਇਹ ਨਾ ਖਿਲਰ ਜੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਚ
Thank you.
ਕਈ ਸਮੋਸਾ ਤੇ ਓਏ ਹੋਏ ਹੋਏ ਮੈਂ
Yeah.
ਕਿਹਾ ਆਤੀ ਗਰਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਮੋਸੇ ਦੀ
ਕਿਹੜੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ
ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਚੱਟ ਨਾ ਬਸ ਉਹ ਨਾ ਕਰਵਾਈ।
ਕਿਹੜੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ ਹੈ?
ਗੁਰਦਾਸਪੁਰ
ਲੈ ਜਾਓ ਨਾਲ ਉੱਥੇ ਗੁਆਂਢੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਖਵਾਇਓ ਨਾਲ
ਨਹੀਂ ਭਰਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਗੁਆਂਢੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਇਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਕੌਣ
ਬਾਕੀ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਮੰਮੀ ਡੈਡੀ
ਉਹ ਪਿੰਡ
ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਮਹੱਲੇਦਾਰ
ਤੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਮਹੱਲੇਦਾਰ ਪਿੰਡ ਸਾਡਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ
ਆਜੇ ਭੈਣ ਜੀ ਬੈਠੋ
ਤੇ ਜਾਈਏ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੈਸੇ ਤੇ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ
ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ
Huh?
I said I don't have money can I leave
What they said?
he said it's okay
Oh, so nice, ha? Kuya, mahilig to man libre.
ਹਾਂਜੀ
1050
ਇੰਨੇ ਤੇ ਹੁਣੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ
How much?
1050 ਗੇਮ ਲੈਣ ਦੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ 920 ਤੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਵਾਂ
100 ਰੁਪਏ ਦੇ ਦਿਓ 900 ਨੇ
ਇਹ 920 ਯਾਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ 20 ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪ ਦੇ
20 ਦੇ ਦਿਓ ਵਾਪਸ
ਕਿਤੇ ਬੰਦਾ ਦਿਖਾਈ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਗਿਆ
How much?
ਦੇ ਸਭ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਰੁਪੀਸ
Ah,
ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਭਾਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ
thank you. So, ayan yung mga binibenta nila, kuya. Yeah, Lahori Pini, Pakora, Samosa. Yes, okay.
this one is samosa
Yeah. They really have specialty. So,
Yeah,
ayan,
specialty.
Lahori Kaba.
yeah
Taste and bite.
okay
Okay.
what to buy biscuit
Yeah, they accept
Indian
Indian rupees. So, how much did you spend already? So, parang nagbayad kami ng mga 600 rupees.
so maybe we can go and ask them what was the price of each item. Do you
Yeah,
want?
yeah, okay.
So everybody knows
Oo, kaya kapag pumunta kayo dito,
ਮੜ ਜਾ ਦੱਸਿਓ ਕਿ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਆਈਟਮ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਵੇਗੀ ਇਹ
100 रुपये की प्लेट
100 Pakistani rupees for
one plate.
And then samosa.
वो ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ
Okay, samosa was complimentary.
Huh?
Tea
300
140 each cup.
Okay. But how much is it? I mean, this regular
चलो फ्री वाला ती छो 50 rupees for one. ਤੇ ਬਿਰਿਆਨੀ
biryani.
500
500 ਦੀ ਬਿਰਿਆਨੀ ਇਹ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਇੰਨਾ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਹੈ
पहले
ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ
पाकिस्तान की है
ਬੜੀ ਮਹਿੰਗਾਈ ਹੈ ਯਾਰ
महंगाई बहुत ज़्यादा
ਇਟਸ very expensive.
I think it's inside the border, so and somewhere it's like
ਇੱਥੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਫਰਕ ਹੋਣਾ ਵਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ
parang tourist place na to eh.
ਸਿਟੀ 'ਚ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਜਾਂ ਕੁਛ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਮਾੜਾ ਮੋਟਾ ਤਾਂ ਫਰਕ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਹੈਨਾ
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes, because of the tourist
Oo.
place.
Mahal
So
talaga kapag
things are
ganito.
little expensive.
Mhm.
But you know, in Pakistan, think okay.
Ay, tatanungin yata yung channel ko.
Space diary.
FA.
एक मिनट
ਸਾਡੇ ਨੈਟ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਯਾਰ
जी जी
ਸਾਡੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਲਦਾ
तो आप जानी ना
They have internet?
जिस दादा था
ਇਹ ਗੁਰਦਾਸਪੁਰੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਉਤਰ ਹੀ ਉਹ
कर
ਕਰਦੇ
दिंदे
ਨਹੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੋੜ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ
एक फोटो हो जाए
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਫੋਟੋ one photo just put this here
पैक करनी है
okay come photo thank you ਭਾਜੀ
Thank
you
you. Thank you. Ayan, nagpa-picture sila sa akin. Oh, ang dami nagpa-picture sa amin today. Feeling ko model ako, char. Yeah. So meron dito mga Pakistani biscuits. Jira.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਭਾਜੀ
What can we take?
पाकिस्तानी बिस्किट है चॉकलेट है बहुत ही शानदार इंडियंस में 50
Ah, meron na silang sting.
Allah bhai yaar
How? Butter biscuits.
इंडियन
हाँ जी
इंडियन पाकिस्तान 200 पाकिस्तान
100 इंडियन हैं नहीं लेने मेरे तो सारे उन्होंने खत्म करते
Okay?
so we bought this from
Yeah,
here.
biscuit.
It is the traditional taste bakery I don't know so it looks like this butter
Butter
biscuits.
biscuits.
And then we have candies. We
Yeah,
bought candies.
butterscotch candy. Ayan.
So 200 Pakistani rupees for this and 200 Pakistani rupees for this.
Ah, okay. Nice.
So pasalubong.
Yeah, pasalubong. We will be eating it later. So, ayun na yung buong market nila dito.
Yeah.
So, in this area, you can buy something like wooden things, like mga handmade crafts nila. What else? Yeah, dry fruits.
For us, we are not into these kind of things. We are into trying
Food.
different food.
Oo, food talaga kami.
We try and we
Yes.
like
And
we like the people here.
yeah, they're all very
They're
nice.
all very nice.
Kaso nga lang, medyo pricey nga lang guys ha.
But it's little pricey here, you know. So
Yes.
you must be prepared before you come.
They actually have chips here. Let's check the chips. But same, kurkure and all that. Jeez. Lace. Okay. So I have ATM here too. I will end the vlog here now, guys. Ito na yung aming adventure dito sa kanilang market trying Pakistani food. And I find their food really, really good. Pasado
It's
siya
really
sa
good
panlasang Pinoy.
for foreigners. Taste buds, yes.
Yeah,
It's
pasado
perfect.
siya. Perfect. So yun na yung vlog natin for today, guys. And na-enjoy nyo, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this one. And we hope to see you again next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye!